fusion of male and female gamete. This occur in the most dilated part, that is the ampulla of the fallopian tube. So these are the parts of the fallopian tubes. So sperm, ovum is here, ovary is here, and at the time of ovulation, what will happen? There is a rhythmic activity of, imagine this is ovum, so there is a rhythmic activity of fallopian tube over this, and that sweeps over that. Okay, like उसके इंतज़ार में है, ओवम के इंतज़ार में fallopian tube जो है to start dancing. Okay, so what will happen from here? Sperm will go, it will ascend, and there will be the competition, there will be survival of the fittest. So most fit sperm, the sperm which is most fit will ascend, because what is there? Here will be your acidic environment. Okay, so here will be the acidic environment. So what will happen? Sperm will ascend here and it will reach here, and both of them will fuse in the ampulla part of the fallopian tube. So this is the fertilization. So what will happen? I will tell you a story. What will be the story? So you will easily remember what are the various process of fertilization. So what is the various process? So what is the story? It is a story of the most famous movie. That movie is what? That movie is your शोले. शोले मूवी में क्या होता है? शोले मूवी में क्या था? कौन सा था? The ovum is what? Ovum is our favorite Basanti. That sperm is our Viru. And the villain is who? Villain is our fallopian tube, the fimbriated end of the fallopian tube. So what will happen? So at the time of ovulation, what will happen? That fimbriated end, I will be telling in flow chart. Fimbriated end sweeps over the ovary. Ovary का, to the precise, that most dominant or most elevated part of the ovary, जहाँ से ovulation होगा, so वहाँ पे sweep करते रहता है कि it's very happy कि ovary is going to come out. Now what will happen? So they say he is the gabbar. He is the intizar of what? Basanti. So who is the Basanti? Basanti is the ovary. So ovary come. Okay, along with what? So Basanti come. Ovary is the Basanti. So Basanti come with what? Her friends. तो उसके दोस्त कौन है? उसके दोस्त है with corona radiata. So all the follicular cells, this is the ovary. So all the follicular cells will arrange radially along that ovary, the oocyte membrane. So this will give rise to a radiating appearance ऐसे से दे रहा है. So that's why the name is corona radiata. Corona radiata is there. So what will happen? The gabbar is very happy that ovary is going to come, that Basanti is going to come. So Basanti has come out with the corona radiata. With the corona radiata she has come. So what will happen then? All the chela or the gunda of the gabbar, what will they catch hold of Basanti. So what is the catch hold of the ovary with what? Corona radiata. Corona radiata के साथ ovary को catch, so this goes into the intrauterine tube. This goes in intrauterine tube. So in intrauterine tube, what will be there? There will be the various enzymes. Enzymes is what? Various enemy or various gunda. So what will happen? All her friends, Basanti is coming out with her friends. So all his friends get scared of these enemies or these gundas, and they ran up. So what will happen? So now Basanti is alone. So this Basanti, this ovary is left as जो enzymes थे, various enzymes are there, they dissolve this corona radiata. This corona radiata dissolved by the various enzymes. various enzymes. So what will happen? So this ovary is left. So only Basanti is left. Her friend ran away because of the fear of those enemies or those enzymes. Okay, enemy ko enzymes रखेंगे. Then what will happen? Sperm at this time. Sperm is what? Sperm is our viru. Okay. So sperm at this time is inert. स्पर्म जो था वो आम के बगीचे में, वीरू जो था आम के बगीचे में आराम कर रहा था. वीरू he is in garden or बगीचा and he is quite calm and inactive. So what will happen after that? What will happen? तो ये जो उनकी फ्रेंड्स थी, they start screaming and crying. They enter the village, okay, and they start screaming and crying. So the mucosal epithelia of the intrauterine tube, it start vibrating. The mucosal epithelia of the tube, epithelium of the tube जो है उसमें भी मूवमेंट होने लगा, एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन होने लगा. ओवरी उसके अंदर है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? इट बिकम एक्टिवेटेड. स्पर्म जो है दैट बिकम एक्टिवेटेड. तो एक्टिवेटेड में क्या क्या हमने पढ़ा था? दैट विल गो इनटू व्हाट? दैट विल गो इनटू द वेरियस रिएक्शन. दैट विल व्हाट रिएक्शन? एक्रोसोम रिएक्शन. ओके, एक्रोसोम रिएक्शन and all other seeds. So before that what will happen? So he called J. So accessory gland secretion like seminal fluid and all those things. So he called J. So all accessory gland secretion and जो भी है prostatic secretion, सब कुछ seminal सब उस secretion में mix हो गए to activate the sperm and they are running rapidly. So sperm now start moving rapidly. Okay, sperm has what? Sperm has a flagella or a tail. So what will happen? The sperm or our viru start oscillating or moving fast. So viru वहाँ पहुँच गया. So what will happen? What will he do? Viru is very like short tempered. So he becomes very angry. So here will be the sperm. So sperm will reach here. Now sperm has to break 3 barriers. What are the barriers of the sperm? So Viru has reached. वो रामगढ़ के पहाड़ी में पहुंच गया. So now what will happen? उसके साथ उसके सारे जय और दोस्त और सब लोग थे. ठीक है. So it reached here. So he has to break 3 barriers. Okay. So what are the barriers which should be broken? So what will be there? So around ovary there will be what? Other like corona radiata. वो I have told our friends. So he has told यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? किला. We will remember. It will break the किला से corona radiata. It will break the barrier of the kila. Then he will enter the zone of what? The birth. So first barrier is this kila. Kila is corona radiata. So this kila is corona. This is just to remember you better because this is asked. What are the 3 barriers which will be broken by the sperm? In exam also, NEET PG also this is asked. So the first barrier is corona radiata. So how do a sperm will break that? So for this, the sperm has to undergo a process that is known as capacitation. Sperm has to undergo a process that is known as capacitation. So what will happen? All the sperm will not go and do. So capacitation is what? It is the modification. So where it will occur? This capacitation, only that capacitated sperm can break this kila or the corona radiata barrier. So what is the capacitation? So there is a short question on capacitation every year. So capacitation is the. So अभी वीरू हमारा किला तक पहुंचा है. So now we are here. Capacitation I am dealing separately because there is a short question asked on capacitation. It is the process of conditioning. Or metamorphosis of sperm, where in the female genital tract. Okay, so that is the conditioning of the sperm in the female genital tract. So how it will, what is the capacitation? So now what will happen? जो वीरू था उसने पूरा कोट सूट वूट पहना हुआ था, बट नाउ ही हैज टू डू फाइट. सो हाउ विल ही डू फाइट? ही कैनॉट डू फाइट विथ कोट एंड ऑल आइटम्स. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? ही रिमूव्ड हिज जैकेट एंड थ्रो अवे. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? Incapacitation, then glycoprotein cap or the acrosomic cap is removed. Okay, so first is that he has to do fight, so acrosomic cap is removed, and there is a seminal plasma protein, वो शेड होगा, वो रिमूव होगा, and that sperm is now capacitated. It takes 6-7 hours in the female genital tract. So now that Viru fully prepared to break that kila. So he come to the verge of the ramgad and अपना कोट जैकेट वैकेट फेंक के एकदम रेडी हो गया है to start that fight. So what will happen? He will come here, he will break that kila. So he will break that corona radiata. And he will enter the zone of the bird. So zone से हम क्या याद रखेंगे? Zona pellucida. Zona pellucida, as you know, this is the glycoprotein layer. So if we draw diagram of the ovary, this is the ovary, okay, and this is the zona pellucida, and this is the corona radiata. Sorry, yes, this is the zona pellucida. Then there will be oocyte membrane, and there will be other color. I will draw that oocyte membrane, inner membrane. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So 1 is your corona radiata, barrier number 1. So this is very important. You should remember it. So this is 1. Then 2 is your zona pellucida and 3 is the oocyte membrane. So sperm start entering in this. So what will happen? Only Viru said, I will go alone. Because एक sperm ही अंदर जाएगा. Otherwise what will happen? If every sperm is allowed, then what will happen? There will be multiple fertilization or division. So what will happen? Polyspermy को रोकने के लिए there is a only one. So Viru said, I will go alone. So Viru alone break the chila, that corona radiata, enter the zone of the cupboard, that is zona pellucida, and then he comes inside. And what will happen? So तब तक क्या हो जाएगा? The oocyte, that basanti will give some indication, or she will have some ether-like substance. So she will scatter all those substance, that is the chemoattractants around that. So basanti has some ether-like substance. So she do what? She has released all the chemoattractant. The oocyte has released all the chemoattractant, and जो भी वहाँ पे लोग थे, जो भी other sperm थे, they will become inactive, and only that Viru come here. सब गब्बर पर उसके दोस्त सब वो बेहोश हो गए. Viru come here and he meets that oocyte, that basanti. He meets the basanti, and there will be the fusion of the sperm and the oocyte membrane. So this is the story of the fertilization. You have to remember in the form of Sole. What is the climax part of that? Okay. So this is the, in short, you have to remember. So what is the fertilization we have discussed? So it will reach, and now 3 see that yes, it has broken, then what will happen? Okay, so this is the short story of the fertilization.